Morning! Come spend the day with us as we travel to London. What are we going to London for, Adam?
Boyzone.
Woo!
Zone.
Woo!
And a chippy order, I just have a chip bomb and a smack bomb, and Donna has fish chips, mushy peas, gravy, a sausage, a steak pudding, a burger, a battered.
My order would be chip bomb, peas, gravy and a sausage.
Them two are
Aye.
so funny.
I love them so
Must start
much.
order. Thank you very much for that voice note. Please feel free to send us one in.
Just like to point out the fact that they found us very funny, and we missed off the beginning that said it was actually his favourite message of the day. I'll take that. Just having our first break. We are an hour and a half in. We've got 2 hours to go, 1 hour and 59 actually. Got 2 coffees, bit of fruit, cheese toaster, some chocolate, keep us going.
What are you eating a day?
Here goes for second part of the journey. So here we are, we've arrived in London. Woo, quick outfit change. Nice. Driving to London just then, driving down the street and Adam's like, is that Ronan? Ronan walking into a coffee shop, beeping my horn really loud, while waving at me, waved back. And then I'm like, wham my window down and I was like, can't wait for tonight.
Halfway.
He half waved at me. He was like, who's that crazy girl waving at me? But yeah, very exciting. So let's go and explore a bit of Camden.